What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another exciting episode of Hunting Rocks. As always, I'm your hunting guide, Jeff, but today I didn't have to hunt rocks. I received in the mail from a viewer of mine, a really good friend by the name of Lisa. Ooh, I didn't even see the stickers on the back. Those are cool. 2 boxes. So I tell you what we're going to do. We're going to do an unboxing video. So give me a second to get it all set up here and make sure that I don't show her address, or my own. And let's see what we got. Alright, this is my favorite little box opening knife. I don't even remember where I got this from. It's Anti-ID Produce Company. I don't know. Got it years ago. Found it in a creek long before I ever shot videos. Alright, here we go. Hand over that. See what goodies we got. Ooh, that is a beautiful little geode right there. It's been polished. That's super nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Lisa has wow, that's a cephalopod, and that is flippin' awesome. You guys know my love of cephalopods. Look at this bad boy. Look at the polish on that. Oh my god, dude. I know exactly where this is going. I know exactly where this is going in my collection. It's going to be a centerpiece with 2 little trilobites right beside it. Oh, man. Okay. Let's keep going on. That looks like a geode that hasn't been cracked open yet. I'm excited. I'm going to have to cut that. And this one, too. Love geodes. I think it's a geode. Might be a thunder egg. Lisa lives out Oregon way, so I don't know. I've never found a thunder egg. We don't have them here in this area. Oh, these are beautiful. That is fluorite pieces, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to have to hit those with some UV light tonight. I bet you those glow amazingly. Oh. Oh my. Okay, hold on. Had to compose myself for a second. Just pulled out this bag and wow. It's ammonites. Ammonites are one of those things that I've been wanting to go and look for a long time. And they're not just any ammonites. These have been polished. But hold on. It gets better. Look at that. Look at the sheen on that. Wow. Lisa, this is amazing. Thank you. Holy cow, thank you so much. We'll put those back in their bags so they're safe. What have we got here? Oh, it's another ammonite. Look at that. I love that. Look at the coloration in there. That is just so crazy. In case you guys can't tell, I really, really like fossils. Look at this little bitty fluoride. It's so cute. Let's set him over here. I can't wait to get those under UV light tonight. Those are going to be cool. I'm going to show it in the video. That is a killer trilobite. I gotta look up the species of this. I'm not sure what species this is. bigger than my thumb. Even Hamilton's coming over to look at this one. Oh my goodness. Okay. I've got one more box. Give me 1 second. Okay guys, just opened the last box. This little one here. I kind of had a sneak peek in it. This is insane. Hold on, it gets better. Look at those pockets of Drews right through there. Oh my gosh. Lisa, this, wow. Thank you. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for these amazing gifts. I know you've ordered something from me. You got something coming. I won't show it on camera because you said some of the stuff would be Christmas gifts. But I'm going to throw in something a little extra special just for you. You'll know it's for you because I'll have it wrapped up differently. But this is awesome. Thank you very much. Oh, wow. This, wow. Thank you. Alright guys, excuse my clutter. This is my desk, but here are those pieces of fluorite again. And we're going to put them under some blacklight real quick. It's kind of hard to see because the camera seems to be picking up the light from the blacklight, but they have a real nice purplish glow. I hope they're showing up on film. I can barely make it out on my screen here that I look through, but anyhow, yeah, that's fluorite. Fluorite under blacklight is awesome. That is a deep, deep, dark purple. Lisa, thank you so much. Hamilton thanks you too. Hamilton, did you like the stuff? He's like, oh, I really like to try the bike, Dad. But as always, we hope we can get a like, share, and subscribe out of you. And hope to see you the next time we're out hunting rocks. Have a good one, everybody.